Christmas tree, we will prepare a few cutouts in advance. We require green chart paper, red chart paper, a pencil, marker, black color, scissor and a ruler. The first cutout we are going to make is a triangle. The measurement will be shown on your screen. So now we are going to cut the triangle. Like these, we need 4 cutouts. Since we need 4 stars, we are going to fold the paper into 4 parts, approximately 5 centimeter. After drawing the star shape, I am going to cut it. So now my 4 stars are ready. Now we have 4 triangles and 4 stars. First fold the triangle into half the way I am showing you. You can use a ruler to get the straight line. Do this for all 4 triangles. Now let us stick the triangles together. We will take Fevicol, put it on the outer side of the first triangle. Take a second triangle and stick it over it. We will take care that the base meet properly. Press it nicely so both the triangles stick to each other. Now we'll take the third triangle and we'll turn this, and on the outer side here we are going to stick the third triangle. Again we will see that the base is proper from down. We put our Fevicol on the outer side of the triangle and we stick the third triangle also along with it. Now we are going to stick the fourth side and we are going to put Fevicol on both the sides. So I will take my fourth triangle and I am going to stick it like this. Again I will be careful that I touch the base properly. All the sides have to stick nicely. Now our tree will stand like this. We'll keep this tree on the side. Similarly, we are going to stick the stars like the triangle. We'll fold it into half. We are going to do all the 4 stars. We have our 4 stars ready, and similarly like the triangles, we are going to stick the stars with each other. I take my Fevicol, put it on the outer side of the star. Now I'll take the third triangle and stick it on the outer part. So I'll put my Fevicol and stick my third triangle. Now to stick the fourth star, I will put the Fevicol on both the side like we did in the triangle, both the side in the end. To stick the star, just tap from the top, so that little gap we are making to put the star over it. Now I'll take my Fevicol, I'll put little on top. Now I'll put my star on top. I will see that the point of the star comes up. A 3D Christmas tree is ready. You can further decorate the tree as you want. I will show you one example. I've got few decorative items here which I'm going to stick on my tree. I have decorated my tree in this manner. I have used stockings, gifts, bell, different things, dots, small and big. I've used different things. You can also use any decorative items that you want to. You can either stick something or use sparklers over it.